Hello everyone! Happy lunchtime to me. So, usually natutulog ako pero ngayon hindi ako makatulog kasi um, nakapagkape ang first son. But anyway, today we're going to answer some of the questions that I received from you guys. So, sabi dito, number one, ang dami nito pero siguro ito na lang muna. Yung number one, what is a virtual assistant? So, a virtual assistant or VA is a remote worker who supports businesses with various tasks like an email management, scheduling, and customer service, all done online. It's a flexible role, perfect for people who love organization and helping others. So, yan. Ginugol ko lang yan. But, yes, that's basically gonna be it. So, sa VA, maraming ginagawa, maraming niche or paano ba? Sa BPO term, parang LOB. LOB ba yun? Parang ganun. Basta, iba-iba kasi siya. So, ako, sa isa kong client, yan mismo yung ginagawa ko. So, email management, then, CRM management. So, minamanage ko yung CRM nila. Like, yung Go High Level, kung saan nandun yung mga information about dun sa mga client din nila or customer din nila. Then ako nag-aayos nun, ino-organize ko yun lahat kasi masyadong gulo-gulo yun maraming eksena doon. So, ayusin mo lang siya. Then I also make report to the client every week. I have weekly report or I do weekly reporting and monthly reporting. Depends on client's request, blah, 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 and all of that. So, customer service hindi masyado. Ayaw niya ng mga ganun eh. So, scheduling, yes, I also do the scheduling if they have meeting. So, ako lang naman mag-isa yung VA nila. So, if they have meeting there, I schedule that for everyone. So, they have 2 clinics. I send the schedules to the clinics, including client. Mga ganon. Flexible role, yes. Kasi marami siyang pinapagawa. Like, ngayon nagbo-bookkeeping na rin ako. Meron siyang mga data entry, something na pinapagawa sa akin. Iba-iba. Iba-iba talaga per client. Like, minsan, si client naman is pinapagawa ko ng basic SMM or yung social media management. Check ko lang yung, social media niya like FB and Instagram. Minsan gusto niya i-check ko lang kung merong mga messages. Minsan naman pinapagawa niya ako ng mga content about her business or story, ganun lang. Or minsan check ko lang daw yung mga messages. Depende. Marami siyang mga pinapagawa na kagustuhan niya sa buhay. Siguro I will attach some of the videos na pinapanood ko noon, nung nag-start pa lang ako. And, ganun din yung gawin mo kasi, tawag dito, you will have to do your own research. Thanks so much. Yun lang. Bye.